Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Healthy Benefits card at Walmart. This card is designed to help you purchase approved health and wellness products. It works much like a debit card, making it simple to use. Before shopping, always check your current balance to know exactly how much you have available. This ensures a smooth shopping experience and helps you plan your purchases effectively. Your Healthy Benefits card allows you to buy a wide range of items at Walmart. This includes many over-the-counter medications, first aid supplies, and even healthy food choices like fresh fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Always check for specific program guidelines, as eligible items can vary. Remember, the card is specifically for health and wellness products, not general groceries or restricted items. When you're ready to check out, simply swipe your Healthy Benefits card at the point of sale. You'll likely be asked to enter your 4-digit PIN to complete the purchase, just like a standard debit transaction. If your cart contains items not covered by the card, the system will prompt you to pay for those separately. This makes splitting your payment easy and convenient. To get the most from your Healthy Benefits card, always stay informed about your plan's specific rules and eligible items. These details can sometimes change, so a quick review of your benefits guide is always a good idea. Remember to keep your receipts for all purchases. They are essential for returns or if you encounter any issues. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.